How to install the RailGuard200 Fit Rite on a deck plate with a rib bracket. Required tools. The rib bracket hardware kit comes with all the necessary hardware to install the deck plate on the seam roof. Begin by placing the Fit Rite base onto the deck plate. Insert the bolts through the aligned holes in the base and deck plate. Tilt the assembly over to access the back of the deck plate, where you'll insert the nuts onto the bolts. Tighten the bolts securely, ensuring that the deck plate and Fit Rite base are firmly attached. Start by cleaning the surface of the roof. Place the rib bracket onto the roof, aligning it with the mounting holes located at each corner of the deck plate. Once the rib brackets are correctly aligned, carefully remove the deck plate. From either end of the rib bracket, slide the included hex flange nut, with the flange side facing up, into the top groove of the bracket. Secure the rib bracket into the crown of the roof profile by driving the provided fasteners into the 4 pre-punched holes on the bracket. Ensure all 4 rib brackets are securely fastened to the roof. Place the deck plate on top of the secured rib brackets, aligning it with the brackets. Using the provided hardware, securely fasten the deck plate onto the rib brackets to complete the installation. After securely installing the deck plate onto the roof, insert the Fit Rite stanchion into the base. Once the stanchion is in place, secure all set screws to 29 lb feet.